bike? We wish. We're gonna be stuck in our wrecked BRZ over here. You're missing a nice little chunk right there. Alright, today we have a very special video. I wasn't expecting to film today, however, the delivery driver for this video ended up coming really early. So today we're gonna be picking up Harold and bringing him back here because we have a very special delivery coming for his car. And obviously he can't come here to watch the delivery because somebody hit his car. But on a lighter note, we have a nice body kit coming for his car and a surprise wide body kit that he does not know about. He knows I bought him the Robot Craftsman front bumper and the carbon fiber fenders. However, he does not know that I also managed to get him some Robot Craftsman wide body fender flares. So this is gonna be awesome. Harold's reactions are usually priceless, so I hope he enjoys this little surprise, and let's go get him. Oh shit.
So it's a smooth transition to the door and then it's locked. Alright, great.
You ready?
Love it.
For the first step into bringing the SI back grader?
Gotta meet the man, the myth, the legend,
the greater and better. So we have our man Glenn, the delivery driver, bringing our front bumper and carbon fiber fenders, and this is gonna be crazy. Woo. Man, that front bumper is nice. I opted in for the carbon fiber lip option, so that thing is gonna be nice. So he's delivering the Robot Craftsman front bumper and CMST Carbon Fiber Fenders. Perfect. These are gonna be super clean. I can't wait. I mean,
it's like what we need for her. Yeah, for the front. Like
this shit, man. I would say go buy that wide body kit, but apparently there's only 2 wide body kits that were made right now or something like that. And you know, the one guy in Florida has it. Yeah. And then somebody else apparently just bought the other one.
Oh.
So you know.
Oh no, I was creating a front for an entire wide body kit.
But yeah, that's for phase 3 anyway. If we can make this bumper and fenders look good anyway. Yeah, that's the lineup. Delivery driver should be here soon. My boy Glenn.
Sir.
Look at this. You like my Brembo? Dang. That's the whole swap right there. What? It's the calipers, the rotors, the pads, the bolts, and the conversion kit. Oh my god. Yeah, that's everything. Oh, that's a FedEx driver. I thought it was Glenn.
Oh, okay, yeah, I heard this.
Got me excited. Dang. What's up?
Yo, 3 minutes away. I just pulled up in. Alright, I'll see you there if you're right.
Alright. Listen to the music.
Banging beats, like, yeah.
Oh my god. Man, a long-awaited arrival. But Glenn. Glenn?
Yeah.
That's good. Let's go.
Let's go around. Alright.
Oh my god, this has been long awaited.
It feels weird.
He was supposed to be here like last week with all these parts, but he actually got in a fat accident. Like the world's against Harold's car. He had to go all the way back to New Jersey to get a new truck, and he got it, and now he's here. He was supposed to be here last week, but the accident was just nasty. Harold's parts have arrived. Step 1 in getting Harold's car back on the road better than before. Oh my god. What's up, Glenn?
This feels like pimp my ride.
What's up? What's happening?
What's up, man?
So, Instagram handle?
Robot X Gen.
Alright, let's see it.
Do all these deliveries all around the United States.
Man, this guy drives all over the country to deliver parts, and he rushed this to get this to us in like 1 day.
What you're about to see right now is the actual...
Okay, wait, hold on. I feel like I have to turn around for a second. Hold on, I'm scared.
Oh my, there's so many parts in there from all over the place, man. Oh my god.
So we got these right here.
Oh my god.
And then we also got this over here.
All the CMST and Robot Craftsman parts for the 10th Gen Civics and other cars, obviously. Wow.
We also got this over here, all hoods and everything.
Oh my gosh.
I just carry everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
so
pull out some parts.
Come on, let's do this.
Let's pull out these parts,
such a
man.
big collection of like
Shit. You guys are looking for any parts and you want quick shipping, this is your man. This is Robot Craftsman CMST. You can DM him at the Instagram. He carries so many parts and he gets them to you so quickly. Look at this, the front bumper is here. Oh my god. This is like a 1 of 5 so far.
1 of 5.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yo, that's so aggressive.
So,
we're so good. Yeah, the carbon fiber lip.
that is absolutely insane. Yeah, so this would have been perfect, but somebody like doing the transport, somebody hit my back.
Yeah, I'll put the pictures in the video. He got smacked, and you know, that's what caused a little bit of a delay of the parts.
But overall, it's I try to get all the parts nice and neat. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Design.
this is a Civic front bumper. It's a Robot Craftsman.
Yeah.
It's actually available now. We actually have
okay.
a lot of stock on this.
You guys will see this on the car. This thing's gonna look crazy.
This front bumper actually has 2 lips. So this is one lip.
Oh, I see it.
This is one lip, and this is another lip. So this is the
Carbon.
inner. So this is the inner front lip, and this is the outer front lip.
That's crazy. Look at these side vents.
Like,
Dude, it's got side vents. Did you
Yeah,
look
it
at
got
the
side
side
vents
on the
too.
bumper?
Like this.
On the side?
oh, what?
Yeah, I hadn't even seen that.
Yo.
Look how aggressive that is
That's
from the
like
side.
perfect.
That is
Comes
insane.
like right here and then
Oh,
cuts
man.
in.
Let's get these fenders.
Okay, yeah, I forgot about that.
Fenders. Yeah, man.
And so this is like a lot of stuff that I'm delivering right now. I got to go all the way up to California and everything too.
Dude, this is your man. He will literally drive across the country to deliver you guys parts.
Okay, here comes the carbon.
Carbon fenders. Oh my god.
Wow. That looks
Make sure you PPF that.
Okay.
If you don't PPF that, you're gonna cry.
It's gonna, I'm gonna have to start
He
having
knows,
problems.
Brandon knows
Yeah,
about it. If you
yeah,
don't
yeah.
PPF it, you're gonna cry.
oh,
That'll
my
do nicely.
God.
I can imagine. I could
This
literally
was
see it.
before.
Gloss
I could literally see it. Oh my god.
You know how I told you there are only 2 wide bodies and somebody just bought the last one?
Yeah.
I bought the last
You
one.
lying. Yeah.
Right here, the body kit, the wide body right here. This is the wide body. Come here.
Hold on a second. You're lying. You're lying. There. Yeah. Hold on a second. This can't be.
Yeah, man. I'm not even
This ain't real right here. Wait a second. Hold on. Hold on a second. I can't.
All this is yours, brother.
What?
You gotta-
Wait. Okay. Wait. What were you saying a second ago about the? Wait. Hold on. Was that a joke or was that?
Yeah, it's
That
a
was a
joke.
joke.
We're the last people.
Me and him set it up.
Yeah. Because I was like, wait a second. Parts missing. I was like, isn't that everything?
No,
Like,
yeah, you
I was
didn't
like,
know.
I was like, that's probably it right there.
This is our first sponsorship kit,
Straight up.
so we have to
Straight up.
make your SI look.
Shout out Robot Craftsman, man, because I didn't expect this.
That goes in the rear and it goes in the front.
That's the rest of the wide body.
That's the rest of
front
the
and
wide
rear
body.
pieces.
What?
That's the rest of the wide body.
Oh, that's the front and rear pieces.
Oh, see? Brandon knows about it.
Yeah.
I didn't even know a wide body kit came with this many pieces.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're going full wide body
That's
now.
literally like, I thought it was done. I thought we were
No,
done.
you're going full
I thought it was
wide body.
over.
It's not a...
What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, my God.
Like, yo.
Full wide body kit.
So you're only
Like-
missing, you're
like
only missing
seriously.
the rear.
Joseph!
Whoa.
But yeah, so
Yo.
that piece, that one I can.
Full body kit. Yeah. Glenn, this is Joseph, my roommate.
What's up, man?
This
What's
is
up?
the delivery driver.
What's up?
And
So this goes like this.
Look at that front piece, man. Look at that front piece. Looking at
Oh
my
goodness. Yo, this man played me the entire time talking about some. Oh, you know the wide body kit. We couldn't get it. I'm sorry. Somebody else bought it. I was like, dang. That kind of sucks.
I bought it.
So it
That
goes
kind of
like
holds
that.
us back.
Lose all those pieces.
Man, Harold's a kid on Christmas right now.
I would not lose any pieces at all. Trust.
Kid on Christmas.
I'm not losing.
If I were you, I would just put that shit on your Civic right away.
We're gonna put all this in the dining room right now.
Yeah, because we gotta. Yeah.
But I'm gonna see if there's a carbon tonight.
This is getting really messy. Car part
Saying.
section. So the front bumper, the wide body kit in the corner, the carbon fenders, the Brembo kit, Joseph's front bumper, our giveaway wheels, the wrap, the airlift suspension. This is just insane. There's so much.
Which is parts after parts
I need
after
a
parts
thumbnail.
coming out the truck. I
Lovely.
was like, okay. I was like, okay, nice, this is it, perfect. And then I forgot about the fenders. And then after that, he was like, I got something else for you. I was like, what are you talking about? Like something like a Robot Craftsman hoodie or something. I was like, okay, that'll be fine, like whatever. And it brings that entire wide body kit. Like, here you go. I was like, okay, all right, well.
We are treating Glenn to some banchan before he heads back on his long drive home so that he can be well fed and ready for the rest of his long drives. So. Alright, bye man.
There, brother.
It's later at night and I've laid all the parts out just to kind of see what the wide body and the front bumper looks like. And the carbon fenders, and it looks insane. Also organized the car part area just a little bit. Let's go ahead and FaceTime Harold.
Yeah. Why is there's an entire, what am I looking at? Whoa. Oh, then we put the grill on there? What? Yo.
Bro.
Oh, fella's gonna have to wait. What? That's a mad clean with the Type R grill on there too.
I know. It looks so good.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Of like all the parts just like laid out. Were you just standing on the island, bro?
Yes. You gotta get that shot, bro.
Yes, sir. The carbon fiber fender. Oh, okay, you put the wide body kit together. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That'll do just nicely, bro. Yeah, that front bumper, bro. Oh,
Yeah, this carbon.
something different.
All the carbon stuff is definitely gonna need like a new clear coat. That's what it does look like. I think he was right. It does look like it's a new clear coat.
Okay, then we got everything lined up. What are you organizing everything?
Yeah, I just made a lot of space over here.
Yeah, them little holes. That's the main part that stands out on like Adrian's one. Like,
Yep. Alright, and with all the parts laid out, I'm gonna have a struggle getting all of these into that corner again. But that's gonna basically put a wrap on today's video. I would say it was a pretty fun video. We had a good lunch with Glenn and got to hang out with him for a little bit, so that was cool. Really excited to see this kit on the car. I think it's gonna be insane and super nice, and I can't wait to start this SI build because we have really nice parts for it now. So the plan for the SI now is gonna be to get the car back, put the carbon fiber fenders on it, and then put the Robot Craftsman front bumper on it, and then wrap the car and put on the Anovia wheels that we got from Anovia, the SUMA performance headlight side markers and side mirrors, and then I believe that is all. There might be more, I don't remember. But once his car is done with what we call phase 2, which is that phase, and my BRZ is done with phase 2, which is going to be the wrap, the Brembos, the air suspension, the seats, and whatever else I get my hands on, then we will see what kind of audience we have, and then we will enter phase 3 for the SEMA phase with the Robot Craftsman wide body kit. As you guys see, we managed to snag here one of 2, I believe, in the country right now. The other one, his name is Adrian on Instagram. His is really sick, so it should be a really unique kit in the Civic community. They are going to be making these available to order in a couple months here soon, so you guys will be able to see the kit's fitment on the SI and see if that might be something you guys are interested in. And then after that, if our content is doing well, we will hopefully be working with Robot Craftsman on the wide body kit for the second Gen BRZ, because they're currently developing the kit right now, and with both cars having Robot Craftsman kits, we should be able to get both cars into SEMA, and we will do a full risen livery on it to rep our brand and all the companies that helped us, like Anovia, Robot Craftsman, SUMA Performance, Just a Wrap, and any other companies that join on board throughout the process. So I'm super excited. Now that we have parts rolling in, we just have to get the SI back, and then we are jumping on the BRZ mods very soon. The next video you guys will see, we are actually going to be dropping the BRZ off to get wraps. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I really think Harold enjoyed his little surprise there. I don't think he was expecting that at all, and it was pretty cool to get his reaction and meet Glenn from Robot Craftsman. Like he said in the video, if you guys need any special parts for your car, like carbon fiber or wide body kits, go check out Robot Craftsman or CMST. They're 2 really good companies that sell really good parts, and they come delivered pretty quickly. Glenn took care of us, and I'm really thankful, and I just want to give a huge shout out to Glenn and Thomas from the Robot Craftsman team for their support in helping us work on this build for Harold. So I think this is going to be really cool, and I think we have a pretty good chance of getting into SEMA this year. It's just gonna take a lot of work, mapping, and time, so this is gonna be fun. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I will see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.